Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.fashionnova.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your Fashion Nova account, and once you're logged in, go ahead and select a product that you'd like to shop online. Add it in a shopping bag, and once you find the product, add it in your shopping bag after selecting its size by clicking on Add to Bag. Once you do that, open up your shopping bag at the upper right hand corner and check if everything's okay. Click the checkout button after you are done. On the next page, enter your shipping address information and your delivery method along with your payment method. If you want to redeem your gift card with the item, click on gift card or discount code box at the upper right and enter your gift card number into the text box. Finally, click on the arrow button right next to it in order to apply your gift card online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.